Tired of juggling a dozen different apps just to see your complete financial picture? You've got your bank account here, your 401k there, and maybe a brokerage account somewhere else. It's a mess. But what if you could bring all of that financial data into one place and use it to get smarter advice about your money? That's exactly what Betterment allows you to do by connecting your outside accounts. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to do it and why it's a total game changer for your finances. Let's dive in. First things first, what's the point? Why link a Schwab or Fidelity account to your Betterment profile? The biggest reason is a holistic view. By seeing your entire net worth, Betterment can give you more personalized and informed advice. It can help you find opportunities for tax savings, analyze your overall risk, and see if you're on track to meet your goals across all your accounts. The process is surprisingly simple. On your computer, just log into Betterment, navigate to Settings, then Connected Accounts, and click Connect New. From there, you'll be prompted to search for your financial institution and securely log in using your credentials. If you're on the mobile app, it's a similar path. Find Settings in the menu, go to Connected Accounts, and tap the plus icon. Betterment uses a secure partner, Plaid, to create a read-only connection to your accounts. This means they can see your balances and holdings, but they can't move or transact any money. It's a secure way to get that bird's eye view without giving up control. Now, for those times when a direct link isn't an option, maybe your institution isn't supported, you can also manually connect an account. Just provide the name, account type, and balance. While it won't update automatically, it still lets you add that asset to your overall financial picture. Once your accounts are connected, you can do some really powerful stuff. You can link a specific outside account to a Betterment goal. So if you have a 401k elsewhere, you can link it to your retirement goal in Betterment. This allows Betterment to factor that balance into its projections and give you even more accurate advice on how much you should be saving. It's about moving from a siloed view of your money to a completely integrated one. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.